Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on NetworkWorld. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the rev command, which stands for reverse. It's an unusual command that flips the letters in a word or a phrase from left to right, so pot would turn into top and vice versa. You can pass the command a string and have it reverse it like this. And you can see all the letters are backwards. You can also reverse the output from a command. Like in here, we take the calendar output and send it to reverse, and we see a completely backward calendar. And just in case you're bored and you want to try reversing the reversal, you can do something like this. And hello gets reversed and then reversed again, so it comes back to hello. Well, that's your Linux tip for the rev command. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and NetworkWorld.com.